Hello everybody! Today we're gonna prepare a delicious ceviche. You have different kinds of ceviche from different parts of the world, but today we're gonna cook a Peruvian ceviche. There's two kinds of ceviche. You have the seafood ceviche and you have just the fish ceviche. So today we're gonna do the fish ceviche. It only will contain fish. Alright, so let me introduce you the ingredients and what you're gonna need. First we're gonna start with fish. Obviously we're gonna need fish. Today I'm using tilapia, but it doesn't have to be tilapia. It can be any other fresh white fish that you can get. And then we're gonna need also limes. Just get as much limes as you need according to your portions. Just make sure they have use, obviously. And then we're gonna use in this case habanero. The habanero ones, but if you were in Peru you would use a different kind but it's the same one. It looks the same, it looks a little larger, but since we can't get that ingredient here today, we're just gonna use the habanero. And then obviously it's gonna go with sweet potatoes. Obviously if you're gonna do more portions, grab more sweet potato. We're gonna use also the corn. And then we're also gonna need lettuce. You're not gonna need, of course, a lot of them. It's just to present the plate at the end. But yeah, so let's get down to it. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna take care of the corn and the sweet potato. Those are the ones that are gonna take the longest to cook. So we're gonna take care of that first. And you're just gonna cook them for at least 30 minutes or so, just so they boil and they're well cooked. Alright, so we're gonna start working with the fish first. You want to be careful with this because you want to cut them square, not too small, not too big, just square. Okay, so you want to make sure you have another container and you start squeezing limes. Have the lime juice ready, and then we also gonna have the habanero ready. We're gonna cut the habanero in little tiny pieces, so when we mix it with the fish, we don't taste the spiciness, and it's also because we want to spread it all throughout the bowl. And then we also have the parsley ready. The parsley, you're gonna just take out the leaves, gather a bunch of leaves, and then cut them in little pieces, and we're gonna put this up last. And then over here we have our sweet potatoes and our corn almost getting ready over there. We're gonna see how that goes, and then we're gonna start the mix. We're gonna start to mix all the ingredients together. Once we have the fish already cut and the limes already done and the habanero, so we're gonna start mixing. So we're gonna put over here the lime. Then we're gonna put the habanero. We're gonna hold on to the parsley a little bit longer because that's almost like a last. And we're just gonna mix it. We're gonna mix it. For many people, this is the point where you would add the onions. But like I said at the beginning of this video, I don't like onions, so I'm not gonna put onions in this. I am almost allergic to onions. But like, it's to your choice. If you like onions, you can add them right now at this point. And then we also like to add a little bit of garlic. Okay, so we're gonna mix the lime juice, the habaneros, and the fish. And then, of course, we're never gonna forget about the salt. We gotta put some salt on this. Just calculate, not too much, not too little. But I mean, to give our last touch. The parsley. So we're gonna put the parsley there. And we're gonna mix the parsley. And it's gonna give a greenish color to the ceviche, which is ultimately what we want or not. And this is how you're gonna prepare your plate. You're gonna put some lettuce. You can choose whatever lettuce you like, romaine, iceberg, it doesn't matter. You can put one piece or you can put lots of pieces. I just chose to just for decoration purposes to put more than 2-3 pieces. And obviously the sweet potato, you're gonna peel it, no skin, and then you're gonna put it in small circles just to make it look fancier. And then you're gonna serve the dish like this. I mean, you really just add some juice to it. Alright. And we're gonna put the corn right next to it. This is our final dish, ceviche. Now let's eat.